Somebody's looking really good today. What I'm planning to do is I'm gonna have to touch this up, or I might just go ahead and get this wrapped and black. Yeah. I mean, but other than that, from a distance, it doesn't look bad at all, but I just want to test that out. Also, want to kind of get rid of this and go with a splitter. Stuff does really help, but yeah. Just look how clean but dirty those wheels look. My goodness, look at that. It's beautiful. I'm gonna go up there to the dealership and get these touched up, especially on the back ones. They're kind of like, looks like they're fading a little bit. Yeah, and as I said, they powder coat this already, knowing that these are already red before. So yeah, and then you have the Nissan right on there, so it doesn't look bad at all. Fluid out of my power steering fluid, refill back up with new fluid. I've already done that a couple days ago, and so I already did a lot of driving, turning the wheels left to right. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to pump the old fluid out and recycle the fluid back in there, kind of help it out a little bit better. I have a little dog hair on my chin. Thank you. So yeah. All right, time to do a change. This is one of the things I really don't like. This, I don't know if y'all can see it, but all that pollen, that's bad. There she goes. Man, I tell you this. Here it is. I don't know what that is. Guess that's dirt or whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start replacing this. So what I do ahead and do is I use my old one, pump out whatever I had left of the other one. So going in, and I have the tube, a little small tube going in there. Of course, I bought this pump. Oops. Okay, here she goes. You see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's going down. Flip it over here. Pull this right out. I get the Dectron BI. Sorry guys, I don't have a funnel. It's a cold mini, or not mini, men. We'll do it right there. Grab this cap. So that's it for that one. So now we're gonna get ready to go eat. We're gonna go out to CC's with some pizza, some good stuff, and as you can see, I got clips in my hair. Just twisted up the roots, some of them. Kind of missed them. So yeah, that's the beauty part. Gotta go have fun, go eat some food. I'm so hungry right now. Stomach's growling. So ready. You know what else? I will see you there. so we got done eating pizza, enjoying our night. Now I'm finna just make one last trip to QT and then make my way back. And I will have to pick this vlog up for tomorrow. Yeah. Let's make our way to QT. It's like, I want some kombucha so bad. And that's another reason why I wanted to go. And then the wife wants me to pick up some more stuff. Alright, I grabbed everything I needed. I am actually making my way back home. Finally. So I can pick this vlog up tomorrow. And we'll finish this off. Alright. So I'm just now getting off of work at my second job. And I am right now currently pumping gas. It is late. Really late. Man, I tell you. I was supposed to start the vlog off earlier, but just got so caught up and got busy and just tired. Yeah, so. Already at $17, $18. And gas is like, for this, it's like $3.24 a gallon. So yeah, it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, it's late. So finally stopped pumping and get it started. Sorry, I'm like everywhere. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. I think camera's about to die. This sucks. So yeah, I'm getting off. I mean, not getting off. And so other than that, getting ready to make it home. Freaking, it's late. And actually, it's already over 2 o'clock. It's almost 3, so it's like 2:27. What a day. Go home, shower, fall asleep. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave a like. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on your notification. Also, check out the box in the description. I will have some stuff linked down below. So check it out. Alright.